They say if you do jumping jacks, you will get warm. Well, I am getting kind of warm because it's pretty cold out here in Canada right now. We are the month of November. I have one of my many winter jackets on. And the temperature right now is minus 10 degrees Celsius, which in Fahrenheit is this. Yes, it is cold. My face is cold. I've been standing out here retaking this video because my teeth keep chattering. So today, really quick, what I'm going to show you is this here UPair 2 Ultrasonic 4K 3D type camera that looks just like a Phantom 2 and 3. And in some ways, I think it is a Phantom 2 and 3. So if you like the Phantom line, hey, you can get yourself a Phantom. I think these are really inexpensive. What makes it interesting is it has a nice big gimbal on the front and 3 cameras. Yes, it's like they said, why put 1 camera when you can put 2 and make it twice as good, or 3, make it 3 times as good. Except not all 3 work when you film in 4K. Only 1 films in 4K, or less if you want. The other 2 are some weird thing designed that if you film in that format, I'll show you in this video if I can, you film in that format and it puts 2 images on the frame. So then you take that file, you stick it on your phone and you watch the video while you wear like VR goggles, you know, right in front of your face. And you should see sort of like a 3D image of where you were flying. Haven't tried it, but that's what they say. So anyways, let's go out and fly this thing. Check out the controller that comes with this. It's actually a really nice one, and it does remind me of like the Phantom 2 or 3 controller in many regards. All right, it's pretty darn cold out here, so we have to get this thing going quick. So first thing first, take off the gimbal guard. Power that off. There we go. Next, power on our drone. Now we're going to power on the controller. Should see some green lights at the bottom, and the controller's on. There, we're almost all set. One thing I do like is the way the phone fits in the controller. It's pretty simple. You just push these things out here like this, and it's in. It's that easy. There we go. Fits nice. Good. First thing you have to do is make sure you connect the Wi-Fi of your phone to the drone. So let's do that. There we go on my phone. It says it's connected to the UPair. Next, the app you're going to use is the UPair, or is it the UPair? I don't know how they pronounce it. Anyways, I'm going to tap on that. There we go. Enter camera view. Let's see if we see what my drone sees. Hello, we do it. It's all overexposed. Lovely. Hopefully that adjusts itself. So on my screen, if you're looking right here, you have some settings. So I have beginner mode, height distance, I have all those off, height limits. You can do your compass calibration here, your level calibration, and advanced settings down here. What's advanced settings? Okay, that's other stuff, so leave that. Then your camera settings, let's say we're recording at 4K 30, and I can do photos. So I'm gonna set that to 16 megapixel photos. There we go. All right, now one thing I have to tell you is the compass calibration on here is not so simple. If you do a compass calibration, it's a 6-axis compass calibration, not the normal spin around once and then point the nose down and spin around another time. It's like you got to spin it 6 different ways. So you know what? It's cold out here and I'm not doing a compass calibration, at least I don't want to. So I'm just gonna fly it right out of the box and see if the compass calibration is good. Let's cross our fingers, here we go. So satellite says I have 14. Let's see if my crappy compass calibration looks just like a Phantom. Let's take it up and see what it does. Oh, there we go. Well, that's what you get when you do no compass calibration. All right, so here's what the video looks like coming out of this at 4K 30. Looks like I could do a gimbal calibration because the drone's on an angle, as you can see, with the wind, and the gimbal's kind of, well, I guess the gimbal's okay. It looks all right. So let's see how it flies. Here's forward. I bet you it will fly really fast. Let me just bring it back this way. There we go. I'm gonna bring it right at me super fast. Here we go. And full blast. Holy crap, that's fast. Okay, this is a fast drone. Now it does take 16 megapixel photos, so let me just take a photo. If my phone screen is recording, there's a follow me on here. There's a little arrow down at the bottom. It sort of points up towards my crotch right there. So that arrow is a follow me. So let me just see here. I'm just going to take it up. It says put it up high and hit the follow me button, and let's just pray that it works. Here we go, pressing follow me now. Start follow me, yes, confirm. And what's it do? It's going up. Oh my God, the sun's in my eyes. All right, coming around. You can see it coming around. Watch this, it's stopping. I'm not doing anything, it's stopping. It's going to turn around and find me in a second. And it's turning, turning, turning. And there we go. Here I am walking. So it's following me now. I'm not doing anything. Arms out. The drone is following me. Cool. Seems like it's working. It's making a racket behind me, but seems like it's working. It's coming down. I've got it on the auto landing just to see how it lands. It's landing automatically by itself. Is it going to turn off? Yeah, okay, that worked pretty well. Now let's start it up again and take it back up. And let's go back up. So it pretty much works just like a Phantom here. Now this here drone has a range of 1,000 meters and a 20-minute flight time. So I don't have a lot of flight time. It says my battery's at 65. The sun's not really out. I'll just fly it around here and get a little bit of video for you. So here we go. Now I will say this thing's coming back here. It is flying really fast. This is a super fast drone. The max speed must be ridiculous. Let me bring it down. It flies just like a Phantom. It's like really, really quick. Oh, my eyes are watering here. All right, I'm gonna get close to the drone here. I'm gonna put it in the 3D stereoscopic so I can show you what the video looks like. So look at my screen if it's recording. All right, there we go. I'm going to click on this and I'm going to go to 3DS, 3D stereoscopic. I guess that's what it stands for. Hit the X and there we go. There should be two of me. Do you see it? I'm in 3D stereoscopic imagery right now. So if you put that video on your phone and put your phone in one of those VR headsets, you know, those $30 things you buy off of Amazon, apparently, and I say apparently because I have not tried it, it should look 3D. I don't know. Maybe I don't know what I'm talking about, but that's how I understand it. I'll have to give it a try. All right, so yeah, there you go. So you have some video of me walking around here in 3D. And you're probably wondering, what's it look like if I fly with this thing? Well, here, I'll just fly over me. Coming at me, going over me. Here we go. And there we go. It's like some weird 3D monster, three-eyed monster going up here. All right, I'm gonna stop that. I got it back in 4K, 30 frames per second. Let me show you the gimbal really quick. I'm gonna look at the ground, going down. You can see you can move the gimbal way down. It just depends how much you turn this little dial on the side of how far you want it to go down. So let's see, I've got it all the way. So if I walk under the drone, there we go. I should be looking up at the drone here. Now, one other thing to show you on this drone, it does have a waypoint mode, but the waypoint mode is scary. I'm just going to show you it here. See, I'm going to tap on my screen. My fingers are so cold. Please set up the route before takeoff. You know what I'm going to do now is I'm going to try the return to home. We took off from a way over there. So let me try the return to home. There's a big button on here. It's like for geriatrics, old people, you can't miss it. So I'm going to press the H. Here we go. And a display comes on the screen. Oh, my finger's so cold. I've got to end this video. Okay, there we go. Return to home. Hopefully it comes back over here. Hopefully it knows home is back that way. Oh no, that's right. I landed over here. Silly me, I landed it over here before, so it goes to the last place that it took off from, which is right there. All right, so the return home does work, just the pilot, me, I don't work. All right, let's take off again. It says I have 28% battery left. Let's go over here. Fly this over to where I took off. Just like a Phantom, you can fly these things with one hand. You know, it's that simple. They're pretty easy to fly. So keep going, bring it back over here. And let's pop you down. There we are. All right, I gotta end this review. I'm too cold, so my fingers are frozen. I've got that little finger sticking out right here, and it is turning to ice. Okay, really quick. The drone flies just like a Phantom 2 or 3 pretty much. The cold out here, I think, did affect it. I think it drained the battery faster than I expected. And my camera froze up on me once. And I don't know if froze as in cold it froze, but it just locked up on me. Easy way to fix it was to exit the app and then come back into the app, and then it unfroze. So that's the only thing I have to say about that. You've seen the video. Hopefully the video recorded and it didn't crap out the video or anything like that. And you saw it in this review. I'm going to put links to this here drone below with this really cool controller. There's not a lot of features on it, but what it does do is pretty good. The video I recorded in the house at 4K 30 looked pretty good. So hopefully the video looked good out here. It's not a sunny day, it's pretty dull, so it makes the camera like this a bit more difficult to get a good picture, but hopefully it got a good picture. If you have questions on this drone, just post them below and I'll get back to you. And like I said, the links are below if you want to check it out. I think it's on sale, so check it out. And with all of that said, there is an unboxing coming next. It comes in a really big box, so check out the unboxing, see what you get. And if you have any questions on this drone, just post them below. All right, I'm going in to warm up. Catch you in the next video. Bye. Now the box is too big to fit in front of this camera, so I'm just going to pull things out of the box and show you. So you get a product certificate, quick start guide, you get the user manual, you get a warnings document here in many languages, and you get the packing list, everything that should be in the box. Next item in the box would be the drone itself, and let me tell you, my first reaction upon seeing this drone is it's pretty big and it weighs an awful lot. Holy cow. Oh, it's got a MAC address there. Neat. Well, check this out. This drone reminds me, the very first drone I ever owned was, well, I had a Phantom 1 and then I had a Phantom 2 DJI. This looks like that drone, almost. Look at that, a little bit of vibration dampening here on the gimbal. There's your camera down here. I'll take off some plastic. Look at this. Look at the guard here, the gimbal guard to hold everything in place. It's massive. Got some rubber on the feet back here. This is, yeah, that's cold. It's made out of metal. That's all metal. Metal. Looking at the sensors on the bottom, it's just like a Phantom. It's got 2 ultrasonic sensors, and that's actually an optical flow sensor right there. You can see the indicator lights are huge right here. Look at the size of them, big ones. If you've never seen a DJI Phantom 1 or 2 or even 3 before, it's identical. Even the plastic feels the same. Same type of plastic. Same idea with the battery. It's got 2 little hooks there and you pull it out and yeah, it even looks like a DJI battery. I wonder if they got the licensing from them. So there's the battery there, 5100 milliamp hours at 15.2 volts. Wow, big battery. There's the battery cavity right there, and just like a DJI drone, the antennas are in the legs. You can see them here, 1 antenna there and 1 antenna there. And I swear I'm gonna kill myself laughing. I swear I'm looking at a DJI Phantom. Right here on the forward section, you can see the communication. It's using a 5.8 and a 2.4. So there's the camera. There's 3 lenses on it. And from my understanding, one of the lenses would be 4K and 2 of them are for 3D stereoscopic. Getting a close look at the camera, you have to remove those pieces of plastic. Your micro SD goes at the bottom. I'm not sure why. Oh, that's probably to remove your video files. If you don't want to take the card out, you could probably plug a cable in here, USB it into your computer to remove the video files. They do include a set of props right here, and they even left the labels on these, and they're 9450 props. Now on the old DJI Phantom 2 and 3, it used these type of props, especially on the Phantom 3 as well. And yeah, pretty impressive. I've got props like this stored away. They do include a USB cable. You get this huge, let me take that out, a huge battery brick for charging up the battery. So you plug that in your wall, charge up your battery with this, and charge up your controller with this. Let me show you the controller. Wow, even the controller's got some weight to it. It's pretty heavy. This thing here is like, man, there's a lot of weight. It feels really good in the hands. I like this. Let me just lift this up. Ooh, it's all metal here. Look at that. It's all metal. Lift that up. That's for your cell phone. You would push this up, and I bet you could expand it either way. Yeah, so you put your phone on sideways. The antennas, which would be real antennas, since it has a bit of a distance capability on this. Looks really good. Nothing on the bottom. It's all rubber. Nice. So on the front, you have these massive buttons. You've got a huge H for return to home, power, takeoff. Whoa, that power works. The sticks feel really good in the hand. Over on the side here, it looks like you might have photo right here and video there. You have a jog dial that moves. And what do we have on this side? We have mode 1, 2, and 3 for, I guess, what you're flying. So 1 might be sport, normal, filming, not sure, and you also have a dial there. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is everything included in the box and concludes my review of this here drone. Yeah, hopefully the review turned out well. I haven't flown it yet. You can see this is the unboxing. It looks pretty sweet. I'm anxious to get out and try it. All right, guys, if you have questions on this drone or this entire review, since this is the end, just post them below and I'll get back to you. I believe this drone, when they sent it to me, they said it was on sale. So check the links below. It might be on sale at a really, really low price. It'd be a pretty cool gift to get, that's for sure. It's pretty awesome. And more importantly, if you enjoyed this review, please give it a thumbs up and I will catch you in future videos with many more reviews. Take care.